First command that we're going to do would be install module. I'm gonna hit the tab to autocomplete. Gotta love the autocomplete. We're gonna use a switch of name, and it is going to be OSD, and we're going to do a force. The next module that we need to install would be install, and we're going to do another switch of name. So the next module that we are going to install would be another OSD, but we're going to do builder, and we're going to do a force on that, and we're going to run it. On line 5, let's set the execution policy. So we're going to use set execution policy, and it is going to be remote sign, and let's do a force. Let's run line 5. We're done. Let's clean downstairs. Awesome. Let's run line 7 to import the OSD builder into our session. So let's import it. If everything works well, it should import. We are going to do $ISO, right? Let's do an open and close quotation. Inside the quotations, we are going to declare the location of the ISO. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. You could copy the path and it would tell you C drive, user, the name of the user, downloads folder, blah, blah, blah. If you want to really get fancy and clean up your PowerShell script a little bit, you want to do it this way. You want to do $, env is environment, and user profile, right? So we'll do downloads, and we're going to paste the entire name of that ISO with the extension of .iso. We're going to declare another variable, and let's call this addition equals to open and close quotations. Now, the addition is basically what type of addition of operating system you want. The one that we want, or the one that I want to utilize, would be Windows 11 Enterprise. Now, we're going to use mount this image with a switch of image path. So let's just call our variable ISO, which is in line 9. Done. So we are going to run this. Now, to import the media, we're going to use a command of import OS media. And we're going to do a switch of image name. So I'm going to do $addition. And we're going to do another switch of skip grid. So we are going to declare another variable. We could give it whatever name. I'm going to call it task name equals to, this is up to you, open and close quotations. And in here, we're going to do remove apps from Windows 11 22H2. New OS build task. And we are going to use the switch of task name. The task name is what we created in line 16. So task name, that's the reason why I created that variable. Bungo. And then we are going to do another switch of remove apps. Excellent. You're going to get this window. So all you have to do is just select Windows 11 Enterprise. You only have one option. So we're going to select it. We're going to click OK. You guys are not able to see the OK. So what I am going to do, let's zoom in real quick. So once you select it, I only have one OS to import. On the lower right-hand side, you got OK and cancel. So just click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to disappear. Don't freak out. It's going to give you a nice little menu of all the apps within the ISO that you are able to remove. Cool. Now, you don't have to do one by one. You can hold the control key and select all the ones that you want. So I'm just going to go crazy on this. We're going to click OK. Once you click OK, gives you a list of everything that's going to be removed. This is everything that we selected. We're going to do new OS build, and we are going to do a switch of by task name by task name. We already have a task name, so that was line 16 when we created a variable called task name. So we're going to take advantage and use it again. we're going to use a switch of execute. Execute. Beautiful. We're going to do another switch of skip component cleanup. And then last but not least, we're going to do a switch of skip updates.